Welcome back to Mastering Challenging Summer Weather Series, Episode 2. I'm Robert, glad to see you all again. We all know that lightning strikes can be terrifying. They can cause damage to modules and inverters, leading to a complete system shutdown. Therefore, here I prepare some excellent tips to help you tackle lightning strikes. Tip 1. Enhance electrical grounding to ensure the reliability of surge protectors, down-conductors, and grounding devices, preventing direct harm from lightning strikes. Tip 2. Proper wiring and equipotential bonding are essential. Adding surge protective devices, SPDs, can prevent induced lightning damage. Tip 3. Install Class 3 surge protectors on the distribution side and consider the compatibility of multiple SPDs to safeguard sensitive load equipment. Thank you for joining us. Our next episode will be focusing on dealing with heavy rainfall. Catch you next time.